Yo, I'm Nez, and I'm dropping some more car tech on y'all. And ordinarily, I probably wouldn't do this as car tech, but the reason why I am doing this car tech is because I bought these specifically for my car. Because I'm a driver now for Uber, Lyft, and I bought these specifically so I can provide power for any riders or passengers. So, hence the car tech, because this isn't going to be in my house; it's going to be specifically in my car. So, with that being said, this is what we're doing a review of. Bam. Two of the exact same thing. Well, similar, but same. All right. These are the Foxnovo 2-in-1 Lightning and micro USB charge cables. That's what that one looks like. Bong. Now this one looks like. Now I know you're asking, why are you reviewing two of the same exact thing? Because they're the same, but there's a slight difference in the two of them. One is flat and one is round, so I just want to show you the difference in the two. So with that being said, let's get right into this. And like always, I am doing this one-handed, so just kind of bear with me. So, of course, I gotta whip out the trusty car knife so I can open this up. Might as well get the other one too, so that way it's one less I gotta struggle with. Okay, and that's two. Okay, let's start with this one right here. Open it up, box, contents, nothing else in the box, just a cable here. Okay, I like how they wrapped it up with the little Velcro strap there, but this is what your cable looks like. Now, the reason why I got these is because they light up and they when you're charging, so that way you'll see it looks like there's current going into your phone. This is what the flat one looks like, just so you can get an idea. There goes your lightning right there, and attached to it your micro USB, if it would focus. Instead of adjusting the light, I need you to focus. Okay, micro USB, lightning attachment right there. I showed you that. So what I'm gonna do is get the other one out so you can see the difference. Okay, I did cut it. Oh, okay, this side. You know what? I didn't even go around the box. Let me just go around the box real quick. That's the front of the box. Side, nothing top, nothing bottom. Bottom of the back of the box. Words, you can read it. By Foxnovo, Foxnovo, Foxtrot, Oscar, X-ray, November, Oscar, Victor, Oscar. You got a QR code there. You can scan that. And like everything else, made in China. Same thing with this box. Nothing on the side. That's the front, obviously. All right. Nothing on the side, top, bottom. The back covered by a big barcode there. It will focus, and it doesn't want to focus today. There we go. Bong. And then words, you can read that. And partial barcode, but it's probably the same as the other barcode. All right, so now let's get into this box. Okay. All right, now you see how this one's rounded? See, that one's flat and this one's rounded. All right, but other than that, it's the same. Got the same lightning charger port there. It's not coming apart. Okay, there we go. Then micro USB. All right, so what we're gonna do is I'm gonna pause this and turn them on so you can see what they look like. So just give me a second. Okay, right now they're both plugged in. You can't really see because it is daylight, but they are both plugged in, and they both did light up. You know, I'm gonna unplug it and plug it back in so you can see how they lit up a little bit after I plugged it in. Okay, you see? So that's what it looks like when they light up. And because there's no current being drawn from it, that's why it's not moving. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to plug one up so you can see. I'm going to plug it up to my tablet up front so you can see how it looks. Okay, as you see the tablet is pulling power, so that's what it looks like. It looks like you see the power going to my tablet. See, and I'm going to show you right there, bong. The line, you see it, and it's going to my tablet. See, it's powering my tablet. So that's pretty cool. So now what I'm going to do, unplug this one and plug the other one in. This is not working. Look at that. Looks like we have a fail on this one. This one's not going. Let's try plugging it into something different. Hold on. Okay, we got it working. And as you see, it's drawing power and it's sending it to my watch. Lucky I happen to have my watch cradle in here. I keep one in my car, so if my watch is getting low or I'm out and about, I can still charge it. But for some reason, it didn't want to work with my plugging it directly into my tablet, which I thought was a little unusual. But hey, neither here nor there. But as you can see, it is charging my my watch, and it stopped moving. So maybe it stopped moving because I was pretty much at 100 anyway. So it started, but then it stopped. So I'm gonna unplug it and plug it back in one more time so you can see. Okay. See, because I got it plugged into the smart port to where it'll only charge until it feels like it needs it, and then it should stop. And that's the reason why it stopped. Let me try plugging it into the other port there. Okay, see if it'll keep going. And that's what she looks like. So visually, I think the other one looks better. But they're both cool anyway, any way you look at it. Yep. That one looks like it's going to keep going. It looks like it was just the other port that that made it stop. Because the other port, what it does is it senses how much power you need, and then it'll only pull power as much as it needs it. But yeah. So with that being said, I'm Nez, and this has been another car tech review of the two these two right here, the Foxnovo 2-in-1 Lightning Micro USB sync charge cable. Cop those. I'll put the links in the description where you can get them. I'm Nez, and I'm out this piece.